Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two of the best miter saws on the market, the Dewalt DWS780 and the Bosch GCM12SD. This detailed review aims to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, knowing the strengths and weaknesses of each tool will help you choose the right one for your needs. The Dewalt DWS780 is a highly regarded tool in the industry, known for its robust performance and advanced features. Dewalt, as a brand, has built a reputation for reliability and innovation, which is reflected in the design and functionality of the DWS780. On the other hand, the Bosch GCM12SD is also a top contender, offering unique features that set it apart from other miter saws. Bosch's commitment to precision and user-friendly design is evident in this model. Dimensions and weight. One of the first aspects to consider when choosing a miter saw is its size and weight. The Dewalt DWS780 measures 21.5 by 17.7 by 17.1 inches, making it relatively compact compared to the Bosch GCM12SD, which measures 33.2 by 26.5 by 22.8 inches. This difference in size makes the Dewalt more portable and easier to store, which is a significant advantage for those with limited workspace or who need to transport their tools frequently. In terms of weight, the Dewalt DWS780 weighs 56 pounds, while the Bosch GCM12SD is slightly heavier at 65 pounds. The lighter weight of the Dewalt saw contributes to its portability, making it more comfortable to handle during extended use. Power and performance. Both the Dewalt DWS780 and the Bosch GCM12SD are powered by 120-volt electricity, ensuring optimal efficiency. The Dewalt model features a powerful 15-amp motor that drives a 12-inch stainless steel blade at a speed of 3,800 RPM. This high-speed operation enhances performance, allowing for smooth and efficient cutting of various materials. Conversely, the Bosch GCM12SD boasts a 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw and the unique axial glide system. This patented glide mechanism allows for smoother cutting motion and greater precision, especially in tight spaces. The Bosch saw's ability to maintain accuracy in compact work environments is a notable advantage for users with space constraints. Price comparison. When it comes to price, both the Dewalt DWS780 and the Bosch GCM12SD fall into the high-end category. The Dewalt model is priced at $549, while the Bosch saw is slightly more expensive at $596. While both are high-quality machines, the Dewalt's higher price reflects its advanced features and brand prestige. However, the Bosch GCM12SD offers excellent value for money, particularly for those who prioritize precision and ease of use. The Dewalt DWS780 is packed with features designed to enhance user experience and performance. One of its standout features is the integrated cut-line blade positioning system, which provides an adjustment-free cut-line indication for increased accuracy and visibility. The XPS technology uses an LED to project light on either side of the blade, creating a shadow on the cut line once the saw arm is lowered. This feature significantly improves cutting precision even in low-light conditions. Another notable feature is the efficient dust collection system, which captures over 75% of the dust generated during operation. This helps maintain a clean workspace and reduces health risks associated with dust inhalation. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches nested and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches vertically against the fence, allowing for versatile cutting applications. The exclusive back fence design enables cuts up to 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees, providing flexibility for various projects. The Bosch GCM12SD is equally impressive, featuring the axial glide system that allows for wider crosscuts and better alignment while saving valuable workspace. This innovative system not only enhances cutting performance, but also contributes to the tool's compact design, making it easier to store and transport. The saw's expanded cutting capacity includes a 14-inch horizontal capacity and a 6.5-inch vertical capacity against the fence base. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. The Bosch saw also offers easy adjustments with large, easy-to-read bevel and miter scales, which are marked with detents and roof pitch angles. The upfront bevel controls, all-metal bevel lock lever, and range selector located at the front of the saw provide quick and easy bevel settings without having to reach behind the saw. One of the standout features of the Bosch GCM12SD is its dust collection system, which is optimized for cutting 2X material with a vacuum. This system captures up to 90% of the dust generated, ensuring a cleaner work environment. The square lock quick-release fences lock at 90 degrees to the table and require no adjustment, providing added support and maintaining accuracy. However, the Bosch GCM12SD is not without its drawbacks. Its relatively high price and larger dimensions might be a concern for some users. Additionally, the saw's heavy weight can make it less portable compared to the Dewalt DWS780. In conclusion, both the Dewalt DWS780 and the Bosch GCM12SD are exceptional miter saws, each with its own set of strengths and weaknesses. The Dewalt DWS780, with its advanced features and robust performance, is ideal for professionals who require a reliable and versatile tool for large-scale mechanical tasks. Its compact design, powerful motor, and efficient dust collection system make it a top choice for those who prioritize precision and efficiency. On the other hand, the Bosch GCM12SD offers unique features like the axial glide system and expanded cutting capacity, making it a great option for users who need precision and versatility in a compact design. Its user-friendly controls and excellent dust collection system make it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Ultimately, the choice between the Dewalt DWS780 and the Bosch GCM12SD will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you value advanced features and brand prestige, the Dewalt DWS780 is the way to go. However, if you prioritize precision and ease of use, the Bosch GCM12SD is an excellent alternative. We hope this detailed review has provided you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you choose the Dewalt DWS780 or the Bosch GCM12SD, you can be confident that you are investing in a high-quality tool that will serve you well for years to come.